Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart coupons online. First, begin by visiting the official Walmart website or opening their mobile application. Navigate to the Savings or Weekly Ad sections, which are typically found at the top of the homepage or within the app's main menu. Here, you will find a wide array of available digital coupons and promotional offers ready for your next purchase. Browse through the selection to discover the best deals for your shopping list. After identifying a valuable coupon, carefully read its details to confirm which products it applies to. You will then add these eligible items directly to your virtual shopping cart, just as you would with any regular purchase. Make sure the specific brand, size, or quantity of the product precisely matches the coupon's requirements. This step ensures your discount will be successfully applied during checkout. When you are ready to finalize your purchase, navigate to the checkout page from your shopping cart. On this page, usually on the right-hand side or below the order summary, you will find a specific box designated for promo or coupon codes. Enter your Walmart coupon code precisely into this field, then click the Apply button. Your order total should immediately reflect the savings, showing a clear reduction in price. Before you complete your transaction, take a moment to meticulously review your entire order summary. Confirm that the coupon discount has been accurately applied and that your new total reflects the expected savings. This quick check helps prevent any surprises later on. Once everything looks correct, choose your preferred payment method and confidently click Place Order to finalize your discounted purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.